In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checkout page on Google Sites. By the end, you'll have a dedicated checkout page and a clickable button that takes visitors exactly where they need to pay. Start on your site's homepage in Google Sites and make sure you're in edit mode. We're going to add a new page first, so look to the right-hand sidebar and switch to the Pages tab. This panel controls your site's structure and navigation, and it's the best place to keep things organized as you grow. Scroll to the bottom of the Pages list and click the plus icon, then choose New Page. A dialog will appear asking for the page name. Type a clear, short name like Checkout, Purchase, or Buy Now. Keep it concise and descriptive because this name becomes the page title and influences the page link. You can always refine it later, but a clean name helps users instantly understand where they are. When you're happy with the name, click Done. Your new page is created and added to the site's navigation. If you prefer to keep the checkout page out of your top menu, you can hide it from navigation later using the page's options. That's useful when you only want to send people there from a specific sales flow or button. Now switch back to the Insert panel in the right sidebar. This is where you'll find content blocks and design elements. Click Button. You'll see fields to customize the button's text and link. In the button name field, type something action-oriented like Proceed to Checkout or Complete Purchase. Then set the link. You can link to the new checkout page you just created or paste an external payment link if you're directing buyers to a hosted checkout. If it's an external link, consider enabling Open in New tab so visitors don't lose your site entirely. Once the label and link look good, click Insert. The button will appear on your page. Drag and drop it where it makes the most sense, like near your headline or pricing details. You can duplicate the button if you want multiple calls to action on the same page. Finally, adjust the style to match your brand. Resize or center the button for emphasis, choose filled or outlined styles for contrast, and use a section background that keeps the button readable. Keep spacing generous so it's easy to tap on mobile, and make sure your color contrast is strong for accessibility. That's it. Your checkout page is ready, with a clear button that sends visitors exactly where they need to go to complete their purchase.